and welcome back to my channel. I may look a little funky, I know. I'm not one to usually wear wigs. I wanted to just have fun and let go with this video. This video is actually a special request from one of my beautiful subscribers. Her name's April, so thank you so much, April, for subscribing and for requesting this video for me. She requested that I do a colorful look that she could wear to Fiesta. Fiesta is a celebration that they have out in San Antonio, Texas. You guys know I'm in El Paso, Texas as well, but San Antonio is like 10 hours away from me. So I haven't personally been to Fiesta, but my oldest sister lives in San Antonio, and from what she tells me and what I hear that Fiesta is always lit AF every single year. So she wanted me to do a colorful flower inspired Fiesta look. This is what I came up with. It's also perfect for you to wear at music festivals. We have a music festival coming up here in El Paso. I had planned to wear this wig, but honestly, you guys, after this video, I struggled so much to make it look decent that I feel like I look funny, and I know I look funny. So you guys can laugh. You guys can laugh at me because I know I look funny. But anyway, if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. I already have my foundation, concealer, my contour, my blush, my brows done, so I'm just gonna focus this tutorial mainly on the eyes. And so I'm gonna start off with my Jaclyn Hill palette like always, and using a Real Techniques base shadow brush, I'm gonna pick up this color that is right here, and I'm gonna use this to start off my transition color. So I'm only gonna be applying this on my crease. And when we apply it to our crease, we're going to push this up towards our brow bone. To build up this intensity, I'm going to pick up, let me see, I think I'm gonna pick up, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this brown shade right here, and I'm gonna use that same brush, and I'm gonna apply it right on the crease, but it's gonna be right under the color that I applied. So this one, I'm gonna push it down instead of upwards. Just like that. Now that we've built up our transition colors, now I'm gonna start off with the purple, and to use the purple, I'm gonna be using my Marc Jacobs The Tease eyeshadow palette. This palette is stunning. The purples that are in here are just so beautiful, and they blend so nicely. Okay, so to start building up that purple, so I'm going to pick up a little fluffy Luxie brush. I'm going to pick up this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply this over the crease that I just created, or over the transition color that I just created. And this is gonna give our transition color a bit more of a purpley tone. So now that purple smoky eye is set, I'm going to go in now with this purple shade. So to apply this purpley tone right here, I'm gonna pick up a little Wet n Wild flat brush, and I'm going to apply this purple shade all over my lid, somewhat like a cut crease, but not really. The reason why I'm using a flat brush is because I feel like it packs on the color a lot better than a fluffy brush. I'm going in with another Luxie brush, a little flat brush, I'm going to use this with that same purple color, and I'm going to tight line my lower lash line. For the highlight, I'm going to pick up Opal from my Becca Cosmetics little trio palette, and I'm going to use a Real Techniques definer brush. Before I apply the glitter does have a bit of a holographic-y feel to it, or look, or specks of glitter to it. So to intensify that holographicness, I'm gonna pick up my Alchemist palette from Kat Von D, which I haven't used in quite a minute. And I'm gonna pick up her shade Amethyst, which is the purple one. And I'm gonna apply this wherever I'm gonna apply the glitter. So I am going to apply the glitter. I'm only gonna do a halo eye, so I'm only gonna apply this in the center. Using another Real Techniques definer brush, I'm gonna apply it with this. In case you don't have the glitter or you don't feel like being that extra, you could always leave the eye like this, just with the purple and purple smoky eye, or you could also just do the halo eye with the purple holographic highlight. So now that we've done the halo eye and the purple smoky eye, now we're ready for our glitter. For the glitter and the primer, I'm gonna be using the JCat All About That Base Glitter Primer, which works excellent. I don't find any fallout with this. I use this for all of my glitter looks. And I'm gonna use the JCat Sparkling Powder in Indigo, or what is it? Iris Indigo. And both of these products, along with my Real Techniques brushes that I use all the time, you can find them in my Amazon influencer shop, and I'll leave the link down below, and that link is in every single one of my videos. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a tiny bit of the glitter primer on my hand, and just the tiny bit, because we're only gonna be applying the glitter on the center of our eyes where the highlight is. So picking up a little definer brush, actually the same definer brush that I used for the highlight, I'm gonna apply this glitter primer right where that highlight is. And then I'm gonna pick up the glitter. I'm gonna dip my brush in here. Get this glitter and just pack it on top of that primer. Just like that, and you want to be careful not to open your eye a little bit too much, because then it'll get stuck on the top of your eye. So same thing with the other eye, we're gonna pick up the primer, apply it only where we applied the highlight. Now, before I apply my lashes, I'm gonna let this dry a little bit more before I do that, before I apply any mascara or any lashes. So for lipstick, I'm gonna be using my Jeffree Star Androgyny. I love this shade. So I'm gonna go off camera and add my lashes and my wig, and I'll be right back. So this is my final look. I feel like I look a little bit silly. I'm not used to wearing wigs all the time, so I feel a little bit weird, and this is so short compared to my hair, but I feel like it goes with the look. And this look is perfect for you to wear at music festivals, and like the beautiful April requested for Fiesta if you live in San Antonio, Texas. It's perfect for that. But yeah, what do you guys think? I got this wig not too long ago and I had been meaning to play with it. I haven't really had a chance to play with it, so if it looks a little bit funny, Excuse me. But I'm not a pro at wigs. This wig I got off of Amazon, so I'll be linking it as well in my Amazon influencer page, which I always link on every single one of my videos. And a lot of the products that I use today, you could also find them on my Amazon influencer page. But other than that, that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it and liked it. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.